eat it after. Put some butter on this. More butter. This is my boiled vegetable video, viewers. I'm bored. Yes, I am bored. So, what else could I videotape? I did promise one thing, you know. So I want to really stick to that thing. Yeah, this is my boiled vegetable video with lots of butter. And where's the lemon pepper? Right there. Get that lemon pepper. Yeah. Lemon pepper that. Put that back. Get the Jamaican, whatever it's called, Jamaican pack. I don't know what's up with the screen. It's all blurry. You probably can see it now. It's probably so bright, that's why. Jammin' Jamaican jerk. I have a... Sorry, viewers, the screen's all steamed up or something. Whatever. So if it's all blurry like that. Anyways, once again, I'll try it. Up here. It's crappy, all blurry. Why is it all blurry? I don't know, viewers. This is my boiled vegetables. Good day. Stay awesome.